Dreaming of a high-paying career as a pilot or flight attendant, meet Royal Concord aviation experts on 8 June at M Crown Hotel Shillong from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Book your slot now and call 720-479-8777.
Nakajingmi Jingkiew ki bam ya hab ya kathan so rabat ka jilla Meghalaya hi borok away tang nakadaw ka jinglap ya ka met yap unong wan Jngohkai na indoor na riat arliang hajan kakshat way saudong uba Paul Lingdo menteri bari khmi ya katanat kam Jngohkai partai ka sarkar jilla ulaong bakilat pathai khubor ki bapau hakari borok away lani ki national media ki don ka jingkhen Shillong khmat ya ki jilla kathan north east Habakran sikilat pathai kubor kanong ba Shillong hagano pai singi jong santre ujeliu arja arpusan uba Paul Lingdo ulaong bagi national media ki Tieng ya ka Jingkiew ka jilla Meghalaya hagakam Jngohkai pathai bat ka bakala long ka jingma ya ki bat Pynrem bakim sngo thu shapang ka Meghalaya bat kumta hab ban Pynrem Kumban Shukro baya ka medyap u Raja Raghuvanshi unong wan Jngohkai partai ubala jar ngai bat ka kurim jong u ka sonam nadu ka arpulai tade u jemmang arja arpusan la sei nariat arliang hakano pai sngi jong ka ar tade u jeliu arja arpusan kan baya ka te ka kenthaipan palap ksai hadu menta Kini kalawan ra ki jingken tho ki balai pojat ya ka than so ra bat ka jilla Meghalaya hi borok away bat halor kani ba Paul Lingdo ulaong ba kam long ban Shukran penkot halor kani ka jingja klampat dap ban lap ki jing shisha.
As I said the other day, the national media always has had a bias against the Northeast, and they see Meghalaya's growth as a threat to their growth. The growth of the tourism sector in the rest of the country. Therefore, this attitude is most condemnable, most reprehensive, and on our part, as this case, as I said the other day, this is a one-off case, an isolated case, and in fact, we do not know what actually happened until all the investigation is completed. There is no final word that can be said on the matter. Therefore, I vehemently condemned the attitude of the national media. It just shows their bias against our region, and especially with the growth of tourism in Meghalaya, they see that as a threat. But let me remind them and also the people of Meghalaya that Sora Cherpanji has had decades of tourism without any blot on its character. There has been no record of any incidents of violence ever in the past, and we have had the first missionaries who landed at Sora in 1841. We have the Ram Krishna Mission, which has its biggest network in the state, which with headquarters at Sora. So therefore, this attitude only betrays their lack of understanding of Meghalaya and also a deep-seated malice towards the state and its people.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.